Third right. Pole. Pole. The geometric center of spherical surface center of spherical surface of mirror is called as pole. Fourth one, aperture. Fourth, aperture. The plane surface area of the spherical mirror, the plane surface area of the spherical mirror through which light rays enter. The plane surface area of spherical mirror through which light rays enter and falls
सर वो
on
सेकंड फोर्थ क्या है?
aperture, 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 the plane surface area of spherical mirror through which light rays enter and falls on the mirror. Is called its aperture. Written, this much written. If this is can I clear this meaning? Third and fourth definition.
Yes sir, wait.
Too fast.
Sir, done.
I'm just drawing the diagram. You tell me who is the diameter of the aperture. Let me check. This is sphere. This is passing through center O R. Here I cut one part for mirror AB. Who is the diameter of this aperture? Number. What is PQ? It is diameter of sphere. But if this is aperture, then this two end point is called diameter of aperture. So AB is called diameter of aperture. Please remember this. They can ask you in the diagram, show diameter of aperture. Like this is part of sphere. This is end points. So when you join this This part is called as diameter of aperture. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछता. This is 1 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter, and this is this. एक मिनट. हाँ, ये 4 है. हाँ, ये 4 और ये पूरा 5 सब दिखाने देगा लगता है. This is 4. This part is 1. I want what is diameter of aperture. Let me see how many of you can manage. This is center of the sphere. Diameter of aperture I want. Isha, use your brain. Tanvi, Tanya, Ananya,
Yes, sir.
just please think on this. Hello? क्या should I do? Because of network. Achha, I'm just recording the lecture. You please watch it and ask out if you have. Fine. Okay. Okay. Anybody? See, what is AC? AC matlab the center. This is radius, na? From here to here. So can I say it is 5 centimeter?
Yes, sir.
So this becomes right angle triangle or not?
Yes.
So this distance will be 3, 4, 5 triplet of Pythagoras. So what is aperture diameter? 6. Got it? One more. One more. See. This is the sphere. This is diameter, which is 10. AB is aperture. This is 1 centimeter. Now tell me, what will be the aperture? Hello? How not is it? Oh, take care, dear. Take care. I will just record it and send it. Please go through it. Any doubt, difficulty, don't hesitate to ask. Fine. ठीक है. चलो थोड़ा इजी करता हूँ आपके लिए मैं. This is 10. Values I'm changing so that you can manage it. 1 minute. Okay. This distance is 10. This I'm keeping 2 for you. Now let me check whether you can tell what is diameter of aperture. This is center. This is 10. If you can find this, you can find automatically AM and double its diameter of aperture. Chalo Rayans, tell me fast, what is C2M distance? Rayans, what is C2M distance?
Sir, one
So 10.
No, 8 ना, ये इधर से इधर तक 10 है, इधर तक radius.
So 8, yeah.
8. So what about this one then? By Pythagoras theorem, this will become 6. 8, 6, 10.
Yeah, 8, 6, 10.
6. 6 and 6 will become 12. This is diameter. So sometimes they can ask you such type of question.
सर इसके ऊपर न्यूमेरिकल्स आएंगे.
No, they will just ask roughly diagram बना के what will be the diameter.
Okay, okay, okay. Diagram based questions type.
Diagram based 1 mark question. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Now last definition, principal focus. Principal focus. The straight line joining center of curvature and pole of the mirror is called as principal focus. Done?
Done.
One small definition more, focal length.
Sir, done.
One last, focal length. The distance from focus to pole is called as focal length. It is given by F equal to R upon 2. It is given by F equal to R upon 2. Then now I will start with new chapter. Can I clear this?
No, sir, wait.
Okay.
Sir, wait, wait.
Wait. Complete.
Sir, done.
Okay. New heading, right? Chapter number 4. Pressure in fluids and atmospheric pressure. When do you all feel pressure? Anytime have you felt the pressure?
Yes, sir.
Exam pressure is there. Any other pressure?
हाँ.
कौन सा आदित्य, आपको कौन सा सुबह सुबह प्रेशर? वो भी प्रेशर कुकर का प्रेशर.
Yes, sir.
So whenever we feel pressure, what we experience exactly?
Force.
Force.
Compression.
No, force. Force.
हाँ, force.
We experience force. See, one force will be
Hmm.
out on the body like this. One force is this way. All will create pressure. But this type of force which is perpendicular to the surface, they are called as what? Thrust. This is just force. What is difference between force and thrust?
Force is like in any direction and thrust is particularly only in perpendicular.
Perpendicular direction. So thrust is nothing but force acting normally on the
Normally.
surface. Normal means
Surface.
perpendicular. What is SI unit of thrust? Because thrust is force, so its unit will remain same. What will be unit of thrust? What is unit of force? Nobody knows.
Newton.
Newton. Newton.
Newton is for
Newton. Okay. Newton. Denoted by N. This is SI unit or
Yes, sir.
CGS unit? This is called SI unit.
SI unit, sir.
And CGS unit is what? Dyne. Na?
dyne.
What is relation between Newton and dyne?
1 Newton is 10 raised to 5 dyne.
पक्का आएगा ये filling the blanks for MCQ. 1 Newton is dash dyne. But वो लोग देखो, वो लोग भी बहुत होशियार है. वो लोग बोलेंगे 1 dyne is dash Newton. What you will write? चलो बोलो.
ये नहीं पता.
अरे इससे ही आएगा ना. If 1 Newton is 10 raised to 5 dyne, so 1 dyne will be how much? 1 into 1 upon 10 raised to 5 minus 5. It will become how much? 10 raised to minus 5. So usually they may ask you ulta because they know this you have by hearted. Have you followed till this?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, right. Define thrust. The force. This pressure is easy chapter. Don't take any pressure.
सर
हाँ.
सर थ्रस्ट और प्रेशर में क्या फर्क है?
प्रेशर में थ्रस्ट अपॉन एरिया आएगा और थ्रस्ट मतलब खाली थ्रस्ट. थ्रस्ट मतलब फोर्स. प्रेशर मतलब फोर्स अपॉन एरिया.
अच्छा ओके.
After thrust we are studying pressure. Right. The force acting normally on a surface is called as thrust. The force acting normally on surface is called as thrust. It is also equal to the weight of the body, because weight is also normally downward. So suppose I stand on a surface, so my weight is giving me thrust on the surface. It is also equals to weight of the body. Thrust is scalar or vector quantity?
Scalar.
No. Force is a vector. Force is vector. Weight is vector. So thrust is vector. Because force, weight means thrust. Thrust is vector. Yes, thrust is vector quantity. The physics is very easy. Only we make silly mistake. And then after coming home, we realize we have done the mistake. Thrust is vector quantity. Can I clear it off?
Sir, wait.
Okay, weight is a vector.
Done.
Unit of thrust.
Newton.
I'm writing here. The SI unit of thrust is Newton and CGS unit is dyne. 1 Newton equals to 10 raised to 5 dyne, or 1 dyne equals to 10 raised to minus 5 Newton.
सर डन.
Done, 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 done. Just
मैं
wait.
आपके साथ ही लिख रही थी.
You have also
Sir,
become
done.
smart like me. Yeah, okay. Can I clear this?
Yes sir.
देखो, these are SI unit, CGS unit. There is one more unit. Have you heard about one more unit? MKS.
MKS
MKS.
unit.
Okay. In MKS and CGS, we can use this thrust in another unit called as gravitational unit. When you say gravitational unit, means you say not in unit, but you say in kg. That means we say actually in mass. Okay. What is weight? Is it mg? Weight means mg.
Yes, sir.
If g is not there, then it is mass.
Yes.
Yes.
G is constant, no?
Hmm.
So another unit is in terms of mass unit, which is called kg force. That is called gravitational unit.
Hmm.
So remember, whenever it is gravitational, that means we are neglecting that g wala part. Because
Okay.
10 kg, how to convert into Newton? 10 into 9.8 in Newton. So I can write even kg F, that also means force, but not in SI. It is called gravitational unit. What it is called?
Gravitational unit.
Yes. So write the gravitational unit of thrust. Gravitational unit मतलब mass में, इतना याद रखो. Thrust in MKS system is kgf. kgf. And
Sir, I was asked this question in
exam?
this orals.
So what
Orals,
you
he asked me that gravitational constant unit in this
MKS
SI
system.
unit. So I just thought about thrust and I said Newton.
So you got full mark?
He said correct. Something it was like something pressure or something it was question.
So if you earned the mark, no problem. Don't take worries.
Yeah.
The gravitational unit of thrust in MKS system is kgf and in CGS system is gf. What is gf, Aditya?
Gram force.
Don't say anything else. Gram force. 1 kgf means how many Newton I can say? 9.8 Newton.
9.8 Newton.
And 1 gf, 980 Newton. Dyne, sorry. 980 dyne. Means when you multiply with acceleration due to gravity, it becomes Newton. 1 minute wait. All of you know G is 9.8 meter per second square or not? You all know or you don't know? G
Now
value.
we know, sir.
No, you are knowing a beta. 9.8 G, no?
Sir. Yeah.
And if I convert into centimeter, it will become 980 centimeter per second square. That's why it is written here 980. See, 1 kgf means 1 F you convert into Newton, multiply with 9.8. Therefore 9.8 Newton. Now in GF 1 and G in CGS is 980. Therefore I got 980. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right on this. थोड़ा confusion वाला ये unit. I have kept in my mind kgf and gf are mass का unit. To convert mass into force, we have to multiply with G. This Sunday we were supposed to have test.
Yes, sir.
But nobody reminded. करारा जवाब मिलेगा. That means difficult paper I will set next time. Chalo, complete fast. This Sunday you will have test on light chapter. Complete full. How many times you all are writing?
Sir, 1 minute.
So done.
Done, sir. मेरा हो गया.
Only one time you have to write.
Done, sir.
Okay, okay. चलो इतना फटाफट रिवाइज करते हैं. What is thrust?
The force acting normally on a surface is called as thrust.
Okay, this is one surface. I'm drawing one diagram. You tell me who is thrust. This is 10 Newton. This one is 8 Newton. This is 6 Newton. Who is thrust out of this?
So can you repeat?
This is one surface, top surface.
Uh,
I'm applying force. 1, 2,
mm,
3. This is 10. This is 8. This is 6. How much is thrust?
8 Newton.
8 Newton. This normal is called thrust. And its unit is what? Newton or dyne.
Yes.
In CGS, what is 1 Newton? 10 raised to 5 dyne.
5 dyne.
And what is 1 dyne?
10 raised to minus 5 Newton.
What is gravitational unit of thrust in CGS in MKS system?
kgf.
KGF. And in CGS, GF.
gf.
What is 1 KGF?
9.8 Newton.
Wait. Others also try. What is 1 KGF? Sanvi? Ananya?
Can I tell?
Sir, 9.8 Newton.
Good. And what is 1 GF?
980 dyne.
Very good. Now, whenever force comes, have you traveled by train anytime?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In peak hours you have traveled? पूरा body का मसाज हो जाता है ना. तो ये मसाज हो गया मतलब किसी ने प्रेशर दे दिया ना बहुत.
हाँ.
तो अपना वो पैर दबाता है क्या? अभी चलो उतरो, पैर दबाता हूँ थोड़ा.
नहीं.
पूरा गर्दी का प्रेशर आता है ना, मतलब फोर्स आता है.
हाँ.
So can I say pressure is actually force only acting on my body? My body,
Yes.
it is covering some area.
Hmm.
So force acting per unit area is called as pressure.
Pressure.
In fact, normal force acting on the unit area is called pressure. Or in beautiful language, we can say thrust per unit area is called pressure.
Pressure.
Now just tell me who will give pressure. Which side will give pressure on the surface? P, Q, R, S, L, M, N, O. This is the surface. Who will give the pressure? This will give, no? On the surface?
Yes.
So this pressure ka vajan acting normally is called as pressure.
Yes.
And normal means thrust. So
Thrust.
now how can I say the normal force? Normal force means thrust. This line means per, upon means per, unit, area is called as pressure. What is pressure?
Thrust upon area.
So how will you write in the wording? Pressure is
P
the,
is equals to F by
no,
A.
no, beta, that is formula. In wording,
Sorry.
the thrust per unit
Unit.
area of the surface. Write down.
Yes, sir.
Pressure is the thrust per unit area of surface. Write properly, but because PPS teacher will see wordings. If anything is not matching, she will say it is wrong. Pressure is the thrust per unit area of surface. Pressure is the thrust per unit area of the surface. Let F be thrust on area capital A. Then since pressure equals to thrust upon area, P equal to F upon A. Pressure is the thrust per unit area of surface. Let F be thrust on area A. Therefore, pressure is thrust upon area. Therefore, P equal to F upon A.
Sir, written.
Written? Okay. Everybody is written?
No,
वो
sir.
नहीं पता.
Patapat,
Done,
patapat.
sir.
Likhो. Okay.
Done, sir.
See, when you stand in atmosphere, that means if you come out, stand in a garden. तो प्रेशर ऐसा लगता है क्या ऐसा लगता है क्या ऐसा लगता है हवा का?
सर हर जगह से ना.
हर
सर
जगह,
हर जगह से आता है.
और हर जगह से इक्वली फील होएगा ना फिर.
हाँ
क्या ऐसा
सर.
है? हाँ, मतलब प्रेशर स्केलर है क्या वेक्टर? हर जगह से सेम है.
स्केलर है.
हाँ, स्केलर है बिकॉज डायरेक्शन चेंज करके मैग्नीट्यूड इज नॉट चेंजिंग. अभी ऐसा अगर मैं एक बॉडी को लेके जाऊं, कोई ऐसा फेंका तो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड अलग अलग होएगा ना.
हाँ.
तो ये वेलोसिटी वाला वेक्टर हो गया क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ इफेक्ट है, ऐसा कुछ इफेक्ट है, लेकिन प्रेशर का ऐसा भी इफेक्ट सेम, ऐसा भी इफेक्ट सेम, ऐसा भी इफेक्ट सेम. सपोज दिस इज स्फेरिकल बॉडी. If I apply pressure, then it will reduce its volume from all sides.
Yes.
That means pressure is which quantity?
Scalar quantity.
Thrust is which quantity?
Vector quantity.
And area is which quantity? Also
नहीं पता.
vector. Vector only. Vector पिट्टूस होता है इसलिए वो स्केलर बन जाता है. It is scalar quantity. Generally we make mistake that thrust is a vector, therefore pressure is a vector, but it is vector upon vector, therefore it is scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Simple chapter, interesting chapter. Can I clear this now? Units of pressure. In PPS, any announcement of prelim exam?
सर प्रीलिम नहीं है, वो 20 मार्क्स वाला MCQ एग्जाम है.
अच्छा. That is assessment, na you are saying?
हाँ 18 जनवरी से स्टार्ट हो रहा है.
Okay. Unit of pressure. Now, unit of pressure मतलब indirectly force upon area वाला unit ना. So the SI unit of pressure is, say Aditya, what will be unit of pressure? Thrust is Newton
Newton
per
meter.
meter square, है ना? Per meter square.
Newton per meter square.
So in short form it is N meter square. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The SI unit is also called as Pascal. This was scientist name Pascal. French scientist. His name was Blaise Pascal. Short form it is written Pa. So 1 Pascal, that means 1 Pa is nothing but 1 Newton upon 1 Newton upon 1 meter square. Okay. So 1 Pa is 1 Newton meter raised to minus 2. So what is SI unit of pressure? What is SI unit of pressure?
Pascal.
Or
Pascal.
Newton per meter square.
Newton per meter square. Write down definition, this unit. Newton meter raised to minus 2, or it is called Pascal. 1 Pascal means 1 SI unit. Just tell me which topics you will have in the exam of assessment so that I can keep revision before your exam.
6 to 10.
6th and 10th chapter.
Sir, the portion is not given yet.
No, once they
Sir,
You-
6 to 10.
6 to 10 chapter.
Yes, sir.
मतलब 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chapter.
Yes, sir.
अरे आदित्य प्रेशर आया क्या आपको?
Huh?
प्रेशर आया?
No, sir.
क्या बना दिया आपने?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
हाँ, ठीक है. 6, 7, 8, 9, this many chapters you have in the exam?
Yes, prelims.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है. That is on which date?
9 Jan and your exam is at 22nd Jan.
चलेगा. I will revise. Don't worry. Complete fast. Unit of pressure in SI unit is Newton per meter square. And then in between you go for coffee break.
No, sir.
I thought you were going for coffee break. Unit of pressure is Newton per meter square or Pascal. Please complete fast. Can I clear now?
Sir, wait.
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right fast. Aryan Joshi completed?
Just 1 minute, sir.
Yes.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done.
Define 1 Pascal. This they can ask in PPS. Define 1 Pascal. The 1 Pascal means 1 Newton upon 1 meter square. So I can say 1 Pascal is the pressure. 1 Pascal is the pressure exerted on a surface of area 1 meter square by a force of 1 Newton acting normally. If you don't write acting normally, you can write thrust of 1 Newton. But if you write force and don't write normally, your teacher will cancel the mark. Acting normally on it. Right, 1 Pascal ka definition. I feel this can be asked in PPS. 1 Pascal is the pressure exerted on a surface of area 1 meter square by force of 1 Newton acting normally on it. Done?
Done.
Done, sir.
The CGS unit of pressure is 9 centimeter raised to minus 2. Right. Relation between SI unit and CGS unit of pressure. Relation between SI unit and CGS unit of pressure. Aditya, written heading?
Sir, wait. Done.
SI unit means 1 Newton meter raised to minus 2. 1 Newton means how many dyne?
10 raised to
10
5.
raised to 5.
And 1 meter means how many centimeter? 100, na?
10 raised to 2.
But power is minus 2. This raised to minus 2. So I've written here minus 2. That means 10 raised to 5 dyne into. What is a raised to 2 raised to 3? Isha, what is a raised to 2 raised to 3?
A raised to 6.
A raised to 6.
Hmm.
What is a raised to m raised to n?
A raised to m into n.
A raised to. That means power, we multiply the power.
Yes.
So here it will be 10 raised to 2 raised to minus 2 and
Yes.
centimeter raised to minus 2. So 10 raised to 5 dyne into 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter raised to minus 2. Okay. Followed? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
after this, What is 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 5 and 10 raised to minus 4? Just 10, na?
Hmm.
So 10 dyne centimeter raised to minus 2. 1 Newton meter raised to minus 2 is 10 dyne centimeter raised to minus 2. You all have followed Pakka?
Yes, sir.
I Shappat. Everybody is followed.
Yes, sir.
Ananya, Sanvi, everybody followed. Aryan, Joshi.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
do. Shall I clear it off?
One.
Yes, sir.
Aram, sir. Understand and do. It's not very difficult. Chapter is very small. In one lecture, one lecture I can complete. Fifth chapter we have not done, na? Buoyancy wala.
Done.
We have done that earlier.
No, I mean I wrote.
Acha,
I am done that.
okay. So shall I clear now? 1 Newton meter raised to minus 2. You got 10 dyne centimeter raised to minus 2. I'm clearing this off. Shall I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now tell me. Or 1 dyne centimeter raised to minus 2. I want to convert into SI. 10 raised to minus 5 Newton means 1 dyne. Hello. 1 dyne means 10 raised to minus 5 Newton or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And 1 centimeter is 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Power is minus 2. So 10 raised to minus 5 Newton. Power multiply 10 raised to minus 2 raised to minus 2.
Sir, these conversions can come in the exam also.
Yes, that's why we are doing now.
Co-
So 10 raised
Yes,
to
sir.
minus, they will not ask you convert, they will direct write 1, this much is dash. So you can convert in rough and write. Huh?
Okay.
Now power means minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 meter raised to minus 2. That means it is 10 raised to minus 1 Newton meter raised to minus 2. This you can say 0.1. So sometimes they can ask 1 dyne centimeters dash. You can write 0.1 Newton meter raised to minus 2. Okay? Copy properly. Not difficult, but just remember that slight maths indices.
सर आपने वो लास्ट लाइन में क्या लिखा है 0.1 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर और उसके बाद स्लैश के बाद
प्लस नहीं है तो डिजाइन बना दिया सर 2 लाइन डिजाइन. हाँ.
ओके सर हो गया मेरा.
Okay. What is gravitational unit of force or thrust in MKS? kgf, na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if thrust is measured in kgf and area in meter square, then unit of pressure is kgf meter square, meter raised to minus 2, meter raised to minus 2. If thrust, these are called gravitational unit in MKS and CGS of pressure. If thrust is in GF and area in centimeter square, then unit of pressure is GF centimeter raised to minus 2. Copy these 2 points, write as note.
सर वहाँ पर केजीएफ की जगह हम लोग न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर ऐसा कुछ लिख सकते हैं?
नहीं सी लिख सकते हैं ना, न्यूटन मीटर रेज टू माइनस 2 तो ऐसा यूनिट है ना. दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रेविटेशनल यूनिट in MKS, gravitational unit in CGS. Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, just now we wrote, na, thrust can be written in gravitational unit, kgf.
हाँ.
So thrust is, if in kgf, then Newton ka jagah pe you'll write kgf, meter raised to minus 2, dyne will be gf, and area centimeter. So gf centimeter raised to minus 2. This is called gravitational unit.
So done.
Okay. Done. What is 1 Pascal? What is 1 Pascal?
So 1 Newton meter square.
1 Newton meter square, per meter square.
Yes, sir.
That means indirectly it is just SI unit. Na? Other units of pressure are bar and millibar. Bar and millibar. Have you seen chocolate bar? Have you seen chocolate bar?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it is slightly vertical, na? When you hold it properly. So if the liquid is taken in a container, then it will be like bar, na? So sometimes pressure is also then termed as bar. Unit of pressure are bar and millibar. Now what is 1 bar? 1 bar means 1 atmospheric pressure, which is 10 raised to 5 Newton meter raised to minus 2. And 1 millibar is 10 raised to minus 3. Millibar is 10 raised to minus 3 bar, which is 10 raised to minus 3 and 10 raised to 5 Newton meter raised to minus 2. So it is nothing but 10 raised to plus 2 Newton meter raised to minus 2. Right. 1 bar means actually 1 atmospheric pressure, which is having value of 10 raised to 5. Please practice two times, otherwise you will forget terminology. Yes, return. Can I clear this again?
Wait, sir.
Okay.
1 minute.
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
See, sometimes the person working in meteorology department, they say atmospheric pressure is 2 atmosphere, 3 atmosphere, 4 atmosphere. So what exactly is talking about? When temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, that means temperature is normal 0 degrees Celsius, and pressure is also normal. Normal pressure means when you take a device called barometer, in that mercury height acting on area of 1 meter square is 0.76 meter height. Equivalent to this, the pressure is called as atmospheric pressure. मतलब ये जितना प्रेशर इधर देगा इसका वैल्यू को बोलते हैं 1 atmospheric pressure. So pressure due to atmosphere is called as atmospheric pressure. It is measured in unit called ATM. ATM means what? Anytime money?
No, sir, it is the abbreviation for atmosphere.
Here it is for atmosphere. But ATM center means what? Anytime money?
Atmospheric pressure.
नहीं नहीं अपना ATM सेंटर में उसको बोलते हैं ऑटोमेटेड टेलर मशीन.
Taylor?
हाँ टेलर it gives command
Okay.
automatic when you put something. So see, so other the atmospheric pressure, fourth point, the atmospheric pressure is expressed in a unit atmosphere. Abbreviation is ATM, and 1 atmosphere is equal to 0.63 meter of mercury. मतलब this much height of mercury का pressure is called 1 atmosphere. It is equivalent to 1.013 10 raised to 5 Pascal. An atmosphere is 0.63 meter height of mercury. So when we are studying pressure of fluid, then we'll find what is formula by the pressure by the liquid which exerts pressure. Hello, bouncer, क्या लगता है?
हाँ सर थोड़ा समझा.
Mute all. Okay. See, 1 minute. Suppose I take one glass tube and fill it with mercury. 0.76 meter height of mercury. ये इधर कुछ तो वजन देगा ना ऐसा बेस पे. तो इसका जो भी प्रेशर आएगा ना उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं 1 एटमॉस्फेयर. हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir.
अभी आप बोलोगे वो उतना ही क्यों आएगा, वो आगे पढ़ने वाले हैं उतने ही क्यों आता है. तो ये 76 सेंटीमीटर और 0.6 मीटर हाइट वाला मरकुरी कॉलम का प्रेशर को बोलते हैं 1 एटमॉस्फेयर. वैल्यू कितना है उसका? 1.013 into 10 raised to 5 पास्कल. ओके, गॉट इट? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
एक साइंटिस्ट था जिसका नाम था टॉरिसेलिस. To respect him, also we call pressure in terms of torque.
Torr.
1 torque is nothing but
1 mm
of
of
mercury.
mercury.
1 atmosphere means how many mm of mercury? 760 mm.
760.
So can I say it is 760 torque? 1
Yes.
atmosphere. This all thing they can ask you in filling the blanks or MCQ. Right, fourth. This is 2 times. Please practice all the unit conversion. There is no rocket science in unit. You have to just remember the conversion factor. चलो फिर आज के लिए भी लास्ट टॉपिक एक करता हूँ. On what factors pressure depends?
सर नेक्स्ट सब हेडिंग है
And first you complete this one, then I'm ready.
फैक्टर्स ऑफ हो गया सर हो गया
Right. State the factors on which pressure due to thrust depends. Or just write pressure depends. Factors due to which pressure depends. The pressure depends upon following two factor. ये लिक्विड का नहीं है, ये जनरल लिक्विड का तो अलग 3 पॉइंट आने वाला है. हाइट, डेंसिटी एंड एक्सेलरेशन. The pressure depends on two factors. First, pressure depends upon two factors. First, the area on which thrust is applied. Second, the magnitude of thrust. Magnitude of thrust. हेलो, हाँ शुभम. हेलो, हाँ शुभम. हाँ 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 हाँ. वो बहुत पुराना है वो. नहीं है, नहीं है, नहीं है. हाँ, हाँ वो मेरे वाइफ का ही है. वो ना वो उसको एज ए एक्सपेंस दिखा दो, चलेगा. अच्छा, कितना अमाउंट है? हाँ चलेगा, उनसे अभी आना आएगा नहीं, वो मुश्किल है. हाँ हाँ हाँ. वो तो ये ड्रीम्स प्रॉपर्टी कौन सा है? वो तो हाँ हाँ, वो तो उसका कुछ लोन नहीं है, वो तो अपने बहुत पहले एक प्लॉट लिया है उसके लिए. हाँ है. हाँ हाँ. एडवांस टू एनआरएस. हाँ वो ये फ्लैट है वो. नहीं पोजीशन नहीं मिला है, वो थोड़ा काम डिले हो गया तो पोजीशन नहीं मिला है. हाँ हाँ. नहीं नहीं. डिपॉजिट विद किससे? नहीं नहीं, वो बंद हो गया अभी, वो नहीं है अभी. समझा नहीं क्या बोल रहे हो आप? मैं 5 मिनट में करूं आपको, तुम 5 मिनट में करो. हेलो, यस. हेलो. Area on which thrust is applied and magnitude of thrust. See, thrust is in the numerator and area is in the denominator, na? In our formula. Hello?
Yes.
So if I decrease the area, what will happen to the pressure?
इट विल इंक्रीज.
Definitely increase. तो इसलिए हम लोग अपना नाइफ को शार्प करके रखते हैं ना, ऐसा एरिया कम करते हैं ना उसका, so that with small force it can cut the vegetables or any object. If I apply large force, then pressure will be more.
Yes.
So that means for area it should be less, for force It should be more.
It should be more.
So in how many ways I can increase the pressure acting? By decreasing the area or increasing the force. Got it?
Force.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next line. The pressure can be increased by decreasing area of surface on which thrust is applied.
सर ये पहला फैक्टर है ना?
नहीं ये फैक्टर नहीं
Hello?
है, तो रीजंस लिख रहे हैं कि हाउ वी कैन इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज. फैक्टर तो दो चीज पे डिपेंड किया. अभी कैसा डिपेंड किया कि अगर डिक्रीज किया तो प्रेशर विल इंक्रीज. ओके.
Yes.
नेक्स्ट लाइन. द प्रेशर कैन बी also increased by increasing force. The pressure can also be increased by decreasing force.
Sir, decreasing के increasing?
Pressure can be also increased by increasing.
Increase by increasing force.
Increasing.
हाँ, sir.
Increasing force. So on these two techniques, they can ask you give reason why below the railway track we have got the wide wooden sleepers are placed below the track, because then pressure exerted by the rail will be less ना. हेलो, ये देखो ऐसा रेल रहता है ना, ऐसा रेल वन इधर और इधर स्लीपर्स रहते हैं ना ऐसे नीचे. देखा है आपने रेलवे ट्रैक? हेलो हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir.
So if these are two railway track, here we have wooden sleeper. So why wooden sleepers are placed? So that when train passes, the pressure will be exerted on this entire area. फोर्स उतना ही, एरिया बढ़ गया तो प्रेशर कम लगेगा ना ऑन द ग्राउंड.
Yes.
बाय द फाउंडेशन ऑफ बिल्डिंग आर वाइडर, बॉटम पे ऐसा वाइड रहता है, so that pressure acting on the ground
There is less pressure. Reduced.
Yes, so these are they can ask you give reason. So today we stop here. Coming Tuesday you will have test on light chapter.
Lighting.
Sorry, not Tuesday, Sunday will be test. Tuesday I will complete with this chapter. By this
Sir,
time,
this Sunday ki next Sunday?
This Sunday.
this Sunday is 27th.
सर नेक्स्ट संडे रख सकते हो क्योंकि मैं सैटरडे रात को ही आऊंगा.
एक काम
कल जाके सैटरडे को आऊंगा मैं.
एक काम करते, ट्यूसडे रखते अपने लेक्चर में 20 मिनट्स का टेस्ट. ठीक है?
Okay,
ठीक है
sir.
सर.
Because by this time you will come to know about topic of the test, so I can do revision also. Fine.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
So that's all for today. Let's meet on coming Tuesday with pressure. No, not pressure. Chapter called pressure.
ओके सर. बाय सर.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you. Welcome.